Hey TikTok, so I'm here today with Fight the Frizz, and I have the Fight the Frizz conditioner for damaged and frizzy hair, and I have the Fight the Frizz anti-frizz spray for unruly and frizzy hair. Now I usually suffer with really bad frizzy hair, and since I've been using these for about a week, it's really super soft. The frizz is going. I really recommend these for anybody who has untamed hair, either whether it's curly, straight, whatever. Really good, and they smell amazing as well, because this one has shea butter in it and this one has vanilla tonka bean in it. Really good. Check them out on the link below.